Chris and Shantae marriage Underdogs poem. Our marriage underdog journey began after meeting online while attending 2 different colleges 3 hours apart. From day one, we had long distance, youth, and outside influences against us. Instead of choosing to doubt, we chose each other. One day at a time was our rhyme, along with keeping each other constantly on our minds. Captivated by love's bliss, we ignored all the warning signs. After 13-day intervals apart, when together we were the only things not coming apart. Connected by long night talks and love letters alike, we were building a foundation deep in the bedrock of trust, respect, and passion. No education and a baby on the way, it would be clear why some told us to go our separate ways. Our resumes blank, along with no money in the bank, living under our parents' roof, but wanting to be cut loose. We took all the shots while the iron was getting hot. Come soon, this baby was going to pop. Jonah Josiah Matthews made us parents as he entered this world, born to 2 kids, punch drunk in love. He sobered us up and we learned to work even harder to fill up our cup. We were a family now, and it was us against the world, but we took the risk to learn how to love our son by first learning how to love each other more. Our love now required discipline and sacrifice. Chosen, led to be frozen, put out in the cold for defying the wishes of those who didn't believe in a love like ours. We shot for the moon and landed in the stars of alignment that put the right people on our path. From college teachers to small town preachers, on paper, Colorway to Charlotte was the drive time, but God, the Holy Divine, guided our minds. Faithful talks led to faithful walks. We learned to give up individual sight and focused solely on our Creator's might. Walking at the same time across 2 separate stages, both embracing the turning point of major life pages, we remain each other's biggest fan. College degrees in hand, but still had jobs to land. With our son looking above at his parents, we make our love official in marriage. Our journey resets and we enter the twilight zone atop our marital throne. Living in poverty, no wedding gown or tuxedo, no cake or honeymoon, just a bride and a groom. We were all we needed. Now in our careers, our apartment has upgraded into a house, but we were still learning how to make the other a happy spouse. Turning away at times, frustration quivering down our spine, but not enough to let any of our marriage haters shine. Underdogs have to put in additional work and time. Through marriage help books, we learn how to be kind. Miami South Beach to weekend ATL retreats, we found that travel protected our marriage from the divorce gavel. The anticipation of an intimate trip was by far one of the most beneficial marital tips. Traveling together sparked a fire and heated up desire. Our marriage began to shine the more we made intentional time. Jalen Justice Matthews came into the world and we were finally stable. Now with financial means, we were able to provide on a different level, but not safe from the presence of a new devil, a problem that money could not solve. My mental health took a fall. Anxiety visited with panic attacks, all while completing my MFT graduate track. Limited communication, no time to vacation, and my thoughts were constantly racing. Our marriage took a hit, but underdogs never quit. Our marriage back on the rise, a July 80s themed birthday party surprise, followed by a March Vegas birthday couples trip. We danced, ate, and sipped. School now at an end. We focus on love again with a strong desire to please each other and being the best father and mother. Janiyah Matthews burst into the scene, still in her amniotic sac, giving us 2 more babies back to back. After a baby, 67% of couples report a drop in marital satisfaction. In order to keep our union strong, we had to take action. We left the workforce and joined in business together. This made us tough as leather as we learned how to endure all types of weather. From the storms of being disrespected to the sunshine of being protected, underdogs are built to last. We understand that bad seasons will pass, and on the other side of a tough time, we will always find victory atop of the climb. Our marriage hits the 10-year mark, and we still feel the initial spark. The flame of our love burning brighter than ever, but our goal line is set to forever. With a lifetime left to go, we take a trip to Sandals so our marriage can grow. Reconnecting on the beach while searching for a love that has never been reached. Our marriage is the shared journey. Greater than any destination, our love produces the greatest life sensation. Despite our underdog beginning, it is clear to see now we are winning. Our love is something special, and year by year, it only grows stronger. We didn't give up and kept the faith in the belief we belong together. We hope our story inspires you to not give up and continue to put in the effort to make your marriage work. Thank you for reading our marriage underdog poem.